Welcome to today's episode. I thought it would be really fun to review a turntable.
Alright, so on the website here, we'll take a look at some of the specs. Now you can get it with two different modes, the Bluetooth mode for output and input. That's the model I have. There's another version which is the Bluetooth input. And some of the specs here, the speakers. They play 7-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch. We have the speeds here, 35 and 45, or 33 rather, the 45 speeds. We have the cartridge here, which is the MM cartridge from their site. And for the Bluetooth support, you use it as a Bluetooth speaker with your iPad, iPhone, whatever Bluetooth device you have. Connect your Bluetooth iPhone, USB, and PC encoding. So USB cable, you connect your computer, record the vinyl onto your computer. Alright, so we got here. So we have the belt driven, we have 2 speeds, like I said before. The dimensions here, and you can close the cover while you're playing records, which is cool. Some of the other models out there where you have to have the cover open, but I kind of like to close the cover. One's myself. Belt driven record player, which is manual, of course, motor, the iron plate, which like I said is pretty heavy duty, it's very heavy. Record right to your computer using MP3, that's cover, yes.
Right off the bat, this turntable was relatively easy to set up and get going straight out of the box. If you're a seasoned pro at setting up turntables, it's probably second nature, but if you're in need of assistance, there is an instruction guide to help you along. The turntable itself has a nice wood finish to it, and on the bottom are some rubber feet, which provides a bit of isolation and a nifty dust cover. It is a belt drive turntable with an iron platter, static balanced straight tone arm with an aluminum bearing, equipped with an Audio-Technica AT3600L moving magnet cartridge that is pre-aligned with an adjustable counterweight, so overall the quality is rather solid. I will say upon setting up the counterweight, it wouldn't hurt to have a digital scale on hand to determine the accurate tracking force of your tone arm. On the main plinth of the table, there are the phono and Bluetooth functions, which I'll explain in a minute, as well as a volume control. The back end of the turntable has a host of various switches and controls. We have the ground post, which can eliminate some potential humming. There are RCA outputs, which can enable you to connect the turntable to a receiver or a pair of active speakers. There's the line/phono switch, which enables you to use the built-in preamp or an external phono amp or a receiver input. There is a USB PC port where you can connect the turntable to a computer via USB and convert your records to digital files using software such as Audacity, which is free of access. Then we have the speed control, and with this turntable, it goes from 33 1/3 to 45 RPM. There's also an auto stop function, which is nifty, which if set to on, the motor will stop once the stylus reaches the end of the record. There's also a pitch control. If you want to have a bit of fun, you can mess with this as you listen to your records. The detachable power cord gets plugged in here, and here is a rather clever bit of design. There are speaker wire terminals where you can connect the speaker wires from here to the terminals that are on the back of the speakers that come with the turntable, or any type of passive speaker for that matter.
Hit it!